Yo, it's your boy MerlDog coming back at you right here with another hot track, bonus track, baby. So here we go. Hope y'all like this. Y'all keep her locked in and tuned in. I got more of your hot gems coming. This goes out to King Snake. Blouw, bling, blocker. Here we go. Hope y'all like it. King Snakes riding up a back road, and that old green beat up, sitting sky high like a New York skyscraper. All the guys said New York City, what? Baked pecan and sauce? Nah, we ain't doing that New York City jazz. But we off in Tennessee, riding in them jacked up, feeling so sky high like a New York skyscraper. Man, here he comes, you can see him, hear him coming a mile or two down the back road. Speakers knocking as he pulled up and that jacked up. Got that thing humming down the back road, looking so sky high like that New York skyscraper, yeah. When he's pulling up, slinging mud and gravel, man, he's just a good old boy. One of them types, he's pulling up, looking like G.I. Joe, Cobra Commander, yeah. King Snake, yeah, coming at him with that venomous bite. King Snake, he's gonna get him right, up off these old back roads. He's shining and grinding, he's keeping it right, he's counting and grinding, he's doing it tonight. King Snake, he's up the back road, he's shining, he's grinding, he's doing it big. King Snake gonna pick it up. Country boys, yeah, he been doing it, yeah, he been surviving like Hank Jr. singing his song. Get it in time, get it in line. Yeah, King Snake, he the man now. Yeah, blouw, bling, blocker, blouw, wow. Here he come, here he go. Yeah, riding up no back road, and that green beat up truck. He got it humming down the back road. I'm off the back road, picking it up. Blouw, bling, blocker, blouw, wow. Let's get it now, charge it to the game. Hop up in this truck, yeah, let's ride. It might be beat up, but it'll still get it in time. Flipping the switch from a big bird to a green truck. Yeah, cause he used to drive a yellow jacked up big bird down the back road. Now driving a jacked up green truck, looking like G.I. Joe, yo Joe. He's gonna get it down the line, he's gonna get it in time. Off in the woods, cold sweat just pouring from his chinny chin in the early mornings. He don't wanna miss that big buck during that hunting season. Yeah. King Snake's gonna do it big. Coming at him with the king venomous bite. Yeah, King Snake, he's gonna do it so big, yeah. King Snake, he get it right. King Snake, he get it right, get it tight like Bubba Sparks in his song. Yeah, coming down the line, man. Get it up in time, man. Doing it like the Joneses. Yeah, he's off the back road, kicking it up. Here we go, another one with a King Snake. He got the venomous bite. Blow! Y'all stay tuned and keep her locked in. Blah, wow, wow!